to the Lowcountry is back, and we're here at HHI Windows and Doors, the showroom. We get to talk to Nick Groves now, who is the production manager who has been here just a few weeks. Nice to see you.
Hi, thank you.
So exciting to chat with you. You're a decorated vet. You have an extensive background in this kind of industry that has really led you to this place. A lot that we could touch on, but tell us first a little bit about your background and the roles that have led you here specifically.
So post-high school, I joined the Marine Corps, spent 10 years active duty, 5 deployments. My background in the Marine Corps was mainly logistics, and after I had gotten out of the Marine Corps, I pursued a career in real estate and in tandem did construction as well. They kind of tied together. Did that for about 10 years, and when I had moved to South Carolina, I got back into logistics, and had been doing that for almost 6 years. And the opportunity came up when I met Richard for this production manager position. He made it sound very intriguing. It's a new company getting off the ground and opening this new showroom where he had brought me for our first initial meeting. And I had been in senior upper management with several logistics companies recently. And when I met with Richard and he proposed what the production manager job was, I find it really intriguing, and knowing that the potential that this company has and the growth and expansion that we're actually going to acquire, that really made me want to be part of this team.
Yeah.
It's not just a team. He made it feel like we're family, and being able to come in, at the beginning and be able to add value using my experience is an intangible reward for me.
Absolutely. Well, like you said, this is something that is being built, and you can just feel the energy around this company. And with all of the people that we've talked to, just not just today, but in previous times here with this program, you can really feel how Richard's vision is translating into the attitudes of the staff and the growth that is on the horizon. You can just, it's coming. Mm-hmm. And the showroom is really such a cool way to showcase that. And we'll talk a little bit about that in a moment, but I want to spend a little time talking about what your role really means. So you've got all this background that has led you here so perfectly. What is it going to mean to be the production manager? What does that look like? Because there's a lot of things that go into it you might not assume.
So the production manager position, it's my job to make sure that our customer is getting that white glove experience with our installers. So my job is to make sure our installers are providing a great customer service to our clients. Anything that they have any questions, comments, or concerns about, our installers can speak to. However, my job is to make sure they have all the resources that they need, and anything that may come up, I can address it. So using my real world experience and some of the things I've seen, nothing is really too surprising that our installers have to come across, but it's my job just to make sure that our customers have that unique experience and that we are getting their jobs done in a timely manner, but providing excellent customer service and quality work.
And what's neat too is you're not just going to be here in the showroom and in the office all the time. I mean, you have the opportunity to be on site when necessary and really handle some unique challenges as they arise.
Right. So I try to get out into the field as much as I can, with the guys, not only to mitigate any problems, but just also, represent HHI with our customers as well, just so they can see, hey, we got somebody else coming out here, that because we actually care so much about our customers. We want to show that level of care by, me getting out there and having that face-to-face interaction.
Yeah, absolutely. And as you get settled in here, I mean, how important is it having a space like this to be able to work out of and have clients come? I mean, this is such a cool place to be and just to work.
It is, and it's like our crown jewel. So being able to bring them in here and show them, what we offer, but give them that unique experience, because it's all about the customer service, and we want to make sure that we show that both tangibly and intangibly.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, it was so nice getting to know you a little bit and excited for everything that's to come. And I appreciate you taking a minute with us.
Yeah, thank you.
Absolutely. And I appreciate you taking, well, a lot of minutes with us. We'll be back with a few more after the break.